Hi, this is Josh Reeves, Creative Services Manager for Alleo. I'm here at booth 4055 at InfoComm 2023. And here we're going to go through one of our hybrid workshops that a lot of kind of design thinking is used by a lot of our customers who, customer experience centers, executive briefing centers, education, training centers. And so what I have here is a Jupiter Pana 34, as well as two Sony 55s, and then a Avacor 105 to kind of run the entire workshop. And so it all begins here, me as the moderator, and this would be for people that are in the room, as well as a remote component, which we have here running on a laptop. And so I'll now begin the exercise. And as you see here, I can control what goes on up on the screen. So now I've brought everybody here, and this utilizes a lot of our widgets that are in the Alleo platform to kind of do icebreakers, to kind of get people say, you know, to kind of break the ice, to get people ready to do their exercises, share one of your greatest achievements, something that we would, engage the audience with. I would then move on to the next part of the exercise, bring everybody to me. And so now we're using our AI widget so the point of the exercise is to come up with a tagline for a visual collaboration company. So we're now utilizing our AI widget to basically give us a bunch of what would be taglines. And so now I would bring everybody, this is where the collaboration begins. I now bring in those taglines, and from here everyone can kind of decide what they want to put to the parking lot or what they want to be considered. So we're now utilizing all the screens, the 55s, the 105, and then as well the people remote are seeing the exact same thing. And with and so what we do here is we allow everyone to get involved. So we can add ideas if we wanted to, but if we were in the room, we could do that as well, add our ideas, as well as here remotely, the remote participant, they would be able to add their ideas as well. And so now, so let's go finish this out. So now we have all of our ideas that are on the two side screens that everyone can see. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to decide which ones we like best. So I've now hit a button that brings in all the ideas that we wanted to consider. And now we plot them on what would be some kind of graph to decide which one has the strongest one. And again, and I'm going to go ahead and bring everybody to me. And so now this allows everybody in the room as well as remotely, they can decide, okay, we've now decided that these three are the strongest ones. And so now the grand finale is the voting process. So now we bring in the three ideas and we plot them. And so we learned this from one of our biggest clients who run a lot of these workshops, is that instead of just voting, you now are given, you can assign value to each decision. So let's say you each have $20. So I think that this is a $1 vote. I think that's about worth $5. This one's worth about $10. And so everyone, remote, in-room, gets a chance to do that until we finally land on this one now has the most value. And we've arrived at this, both in-room, both remote. Exercise over. So thank you again. Please come see us, Alleo 4055. Hope to see you. Thanks. And please visit us at withalleo.com.